This is the OASIS News Organization. Oh no. This is OASIS News Organization, reporting from the vast Oasis. It's the middle of November here in Pea Cox County. Winter has come in. Last night it got down to 28 degrees, and I know that all those folks that heat their homes by wood had taken their firewood and put it in there and made it warm and toasty and cozy, and she said, "My, that's nice." Well, you know what? When it's about 107 degrees in the middle of August, I didn't quite feel like cutting firewood. In fact, firewood was very far away from my mind. I heard one guy say, oh no, it was his wife. Now they live up in Colorado mountains, so they, they really need lots and lots of firewood. And she said, he spends an hour a day cutting firewood for the winter. Well, man, that guy's got it going on. He's a responsible adult. Now, if you talk to him, I suspect he would say, you know, for the first 2 or 3 years we were living here, in the summertime, every damn day she'd say, do we have enough firewood? Have you cut firewood? You know it's going to be cold. The winter's coming. And finally it dawned on him. Just cut the damn firewood every day. And that way, he wouldn't have to listen to her. Now that could possibly be the real story. Now I'm going to show you my amazing way of cutting firewood, not chopping firewood, and not splitting firewood. All right, now, here's the secret. Now, I leave this here 24 hours a day. This old blue tarp is about 8 or 10 thicknesses. I just cover up this tarp, put a rope around it, and leave it. Yes, that's my secret. A little old Ryobi compound miter saw. If you've ever wondered what you should do with that dollar store made in China tape measure that doesn't work, save it and stretch it out on your workbench found on the streets of Dallas. So now I can measure. I want 20 inches. Well, this is about 6 feet. So I'll cut it about 3 feet, like so. Kiss my ass. There we go. About 3 feet. Cut it at 15 inches. No. 3 feet is 18 inches. Math, math, math. cut, don't chop. Now this wood, of course, is a little damp, so that might be why it's sticking a little bit. Alright, now I will demonstrate how to cut a thicker limb, wood. Of course, this little thing doesn't do so well on that. But I get it started. Oh, look at there. They cut through. Alright, how big is that? Let's see. That's about a 3-inch log. So that's not bad. Now the other tool I use is the let me get one more. The Sawzall. I use it a whole lot. It's my favorite tool out here. I use it to raise trees. Now that was with the new blade, and that might be the blade that came with that one. So, there you have the way to cut wood. Don't split it, don't chop it. Now I am going to show you one little oddity that I have around here. It didn't grow this way, but it's part of the scenery. So come with me with a little walk here. And we're going to go over here to the vampire tree. See, there's the skull mass, the scare away zombies. And then these are a whole bunch of blades that I've used, then a big old string of barbed wire. Now why would you possibly do that? Well, when the zombies attack, and there have been sightings down here at Pea Cox, when the zombies come out here, and if I'm at some situation out on the OASIS, I can run over here and wait for that zombie to get real close to me, and then I can cut that cable and that barbed wire will fall down on the zombie and kill him. For the OASIS News organization. Remember, Onos, world peace.
begins at home.